items that I've bought in IKEA. I finished my shopping. Thank you for the tour. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching. So, how's everyone doing? So today I've just woken up and I'm preparing my breakfast. So I'm just preparing the African typical breakfast meal. So I'm just going to show you what I'm preparing. So this is what I'm having for breakfast today in the morning. I have here groundnuts that I'm roasting. I'm preparing also the tea, that is water, milk, and tea leaves. And also I'll be doing here, I'm boiling eggs. So that's it for my breakfast. Also, I also have some leftover beans. So that one also I will include for my breakfast. So it will be like an English breakfast, but not exactly. So guys, what are you having for breakfast? So after breakfast, maybe I'll not maybe, but I'm going to do some errands outside, going for a walk, and just enjoying the day. So please enjoy it with me. So keep watching and stay tuned. So my breakfast is ready. My boiled eggs, roasted 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 peanuts and beans, and also here I have tea. So let me enjoy the breakfast first before I begin the errand for the day. So guys, I'm outside taking a walk here at the fields. Yeah. So here we go, catching the fresh air, enjoying the free sunlight. So this is the nature. It's dry, it's not raining. The weather is really favorable today. Why not enjoy it? The beautiful weather. We have springtime, and soon we'll start seeing different types of flowers with different kind of colors. So in springtime is a time when you can always put on not heavy clothes like in winter. So you just get rid of winter clothes and start putting on like jackets, like the one that I'm putting on like this, with a light shawl like this. It's always a nice time. The sky is blue and clear, and you can also see some sun. The sun is trying to come out, but not really out, but it's not cold. So we have a forest there, but a small one. So you can walk through there if you want to relax and have a relaxed time. So what activities do you always do during springtime when the sun comes out? So like me, at times I go riding bicycle or just playing different types of games. The flowers has also started to grow. They are getting sunlight. Look, there are different colors. That is color purple, and this is sort of color red. Or which color is that? So the plants and the flowers are growing gracefully. Enjoying the new weather. So guys, it has started to rain, and now I want to drive to IKEA. That is in Helen, is a shopping center. So come with me. So guys, it's still raining and I've arrived at IKEA Helen. So I'm going to show you around. So this is IKEA Helen. It is in Netherlands, in a town called Helen. I've just arrived. So this is the entrance where I'm going to. So let's go inside together and look at the things that they have inside. So guys, this is the entrance. I'm entering now. I'm entering IKEA. So the entrance. So as you can see, they have furnitures. So just that is just the beginning. Climbing the stairs up. Here you can get different types of furniture. Here's a simple bed. Very simple but very nice. This is a bathroom. And here you can hang your clothes. There's also a washing machine. So in IKEA, they have everything, everything that you need to furnish your home or your house. There's also a wheelbarrow here that I've seen, and some more plants. Like they have everything. So this is like complete furnished. Here's the kitchen. You have here a fridge. Don't know. Look, you have a fridge also here. The sink, a beautiful sink, and the cooking area. Then you have a dining room. It's like an open area. And here you have your seat. Nice. I like it. So beautiful. And again, television at this other side. Television is also here. So here, like you can have your barbecue, like your grilling. These are fish, crabs. Wow, so beautiful it is. So guys, it's so big, and they have everything. I mean, everything that you can ever want to furnish your home or your house. So nice. I specifically came here to buy a shoe rack, like a shoe shelf, something of the sort where I can put my shoes. So that is what I'm looking for. So if I get, I'll show you guys. Here are the beds that they have here. Nice beds. And this is a walk-in closet. You can put there your shoes, your clothes, you hang them there. A beautiful walk-in closet. So I've come to an area where I was looking for. These are the shoe shelves, or where I can put my shoes. So I'm just checking on which one will fit. I just have to check because they have different types and which color I will take. So I just have to look around. There's also this one. Just have to check. They have different types. I wanted an open one because closed ones, the shoes has to get some fresh air. They also have this version of closed ones. So like you can put your shoes here. And here maybe the shawls or umbrellas. But I prefer the open one. So I've made up my mind. I'm taking this one. I like it. It's simple and open. Oh, guys, look what I found. This is where you can put your umbrella. I've been looking for this for a long time. My God, I've just found it. I'm going to take it. So they have here more items for the kitchen, pans, every type of pans, big, small. So if you like cooking, this is the best place for you to coming. Not to coming, but to come. They also have pots, cooking pots, different kinds. So they also have here muikos. These are for cooking, different types, big or small. They also have gloves for working at home. I'm going to take some of this. They have aprons for cooking to protect yourself from being dirty. This one to help you when cooking using to touch the pot so that you don't get burnt. So they also have different tablecloths also. These are made of cotton, 100% cotton. Here they are. There's also a rack here where you can put your utensils to dry up. All cutleries. So this is the area for the beddings. Here you get different kinds, different colors, what you like according to your taste. They also have lamps. So let's check on the lamps that they have. Octopus, tortoise, butterfly, different types. Even an, is that a pony? Here you can also get carpets, different types. Let's check. So they have different types of carpets. Your preference. The shoe shelf is also here. I'm just getting it from the whatever, from the shelf itself and putting it on in my trolley. So here it is. My shopping, visiting IKEA is almost coming to an end. So I'm just happy that at least I've got all the things that I was looking for. A shoe shelf and something for the umbrella. So I'm still finding my way outside. So thanks for joining. This is the payment area. It will show how much I've used. Items that I've bought in IKEA. I finished my shopping. Thank you for the tour. Guys, I've come out of IKEA and it's still raining. It's springtime, but the weather, my God. The rainy springtime, or what do we say? Okay. Funny weather, anyway. So guys, thanks so much for watching my channel and please subscribe. So if you want more video, you have to subscribe, please. So let us build a family here. So till the next one, bye bye.